people at home, I'll just repeat what I was saying. Where we've got the phrase "Es macht Spaß," it is fun. That's the reason for why you do something. So, wenn es schneit, when it snows or when it is snowing. Fahre ich Ski, I go skiing. Den, because es macht Spaß. So when we're using den, there's no change in word order of es macht Spaß, okay? But another way of saying because is weil, right? So weil is expected of you when you get to year 11 and above. So it's really good for you to try it at this stage as well. So if you're going to use weil, it means because as well, but we change the word order. So instead of es macht Spaß, we do something else. So, wenn es schneit, fahre ich Ski, weil es Spaß macht. Yeah? Weil es Spaß macht. So let's have a look at this again. Es macht Spaß. That's got a capital S, yeah? Spaß. So what does that mean, that sort of word is? It's a, what has capitals? Nouns, okay? So it's not going to be the verb. What's the verb in this little phrase? Es macht Spaß. Macht, okay, good. So the macht is what changes here. And what do we do with the verb when we're using a weil? Stick it at the end. Good, okay. Weil es Spaß macht, right? Wenn es schneit, fahre ich Ski, weil es Spaß macht. All right. Now, what I want you to do is this document here. Now, for those of you who are here, I've got it in hard copy, so you can color code it. All right. So let's have a look at this together. Now you might need two different colored highlighters, or you can just circle one and square the other. It's up to you. Yeah? All right? So, what we've got now is weil sentences. Okay? So the first thing we need to do is highlight the verb in the second of the sentences below. So remember, the verb is often but not always in the second position. Then what we do is we connect the sentences using weil. Okay? So have a look at the example. We've got Ich sehe gern Krimis. What does that mean? Do you remember from watching TV? I like watching crime shows, yeah? Full stop. Sie sind informativ. What's that mean? They are informative. So, sind here is the verb, all right? So when we put it together with because, using weil, ich sehe gern Krimis, weil sie informativ sind, yeah? So once you can highlight the verb in each sentence, then you just move it to the end when we're using the weil. Does that make sense? Yeah? Okay, so a wonky English reminder. I'm so vile. When the verb sees me, he runs a mile. Haha. No? All right. In other words, it runs away to the end of the sentence. Okay? So if you want to put it into wonky English, I like to watch crime shows because they informative are. Yeah? So you're always thinking, where is the verb? Okay? So let's work these out in your groups quickly. First of all, just find the verb in the second sentence of each one. Meine Lieblingssendung ist Top Gear. Es ist super. Which one's the verb? Ist, yeah? Okay. So, if I highlight ist, that's the verb. Oops, not text color. Highlight that green. Okay. Ich sehe nicht gern Seifenopern. I don't like watching soap operas. Sie sind ziemlich langweilig. What's the verb? Sind, yeah, they are quite boring, yeah? So highlight that. Ich liebe Dokumentarfilme. Sie sind so interessant. Sind, yeah, good. Hi Sarah, you've had guitar? Danke. Yep, so sind is going to be your verb that you highlight there, yeah? Okay, meine Schwester sieht nicht gern Kindersendungen. My sister doesn't like to watch kids programs. Sie ist zu alt. So where's the verb? Jacob? Ist, yeah, she is too old, okay, to be. All right. Meine Lieblingssendung ist EastEnders. Ich finde Seifenopern so spannend. What's spannend again? Do you remember? Exciting. But what's the verb? Ich finde. I find soap operas so exciting, yeah? So you want to highlight that. Cool. Let's bring this up. All right. Ich hasse die Nachrichten. What are the Nachrichten? What TV show is that? Comes on at 6 most days. News. Yeah, I hate the news. It can be so depressing. You got two verbs here. You've got can, no, and to be. So sein. So highlight both of them. All right. But the first verb in that sentence goes where? At the end, okay? So you've got those 6 sentences now. Meine Lieblingssendung ist Top Gear. Es ist super cool. Ich sehe nicht gern Seifenopern. Sie sind ziemlich langweilig. Ich liebe Dokumentarfilme. Sie sind so interessant. Meine Schwester sieht nicht gern Kindersendungen. Sie ist zu alt. Und meine Lieblingssendung ist EastEnders. Ich finde Seifenopern so spannend. And the last one. Ich hasse die Nachrichten. Sie kann so deprimierend sein. All right, so now you know where the verbs are. And you know what you do with the verbs. What I want you to do now in your small groups is put those in sentences. Okay, write them out as sentences. Do the first one together. Ich sehe gern Krimis, weil sie informativ sind. Yeah, so you're using the word weil, because. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, do that quickly together. So you highlight those words. Right? All right. It's better if you do it while we're doing it. So you highlight them first, and then I'll come back to you, yeah? You know what you're doing, Jacob? Right? Sentences using weil, because, yeah? So meine Lieblingssendung ist Top Gear, weil es So makes sense? Yeah, cool. Work together, guys. Guys, this isn't a test, so make sure you're working together on this. Yeah.
I think that working together is not copy-paste from my work. I think it's negotiating.
That's true. Done? Just a second. I hear there are two verbs. That's a logo.
You just add
Just highlight that.
and then you put the verb. Okay, so good.
Alright, so now what we're going to do is so using Weil.
What are we supposed to add them into I'm gonna write the whole thing. Yeah,
so if you want to take this sentence with a Weil in the middle, Weil link things in the middle, then comma. Weil is super cool this. Yeah? Does that make sense? Yeah.
you can get and then
Okay, so while they're all working that, I'll do the answer for this one for you. So we've done it together. So meine, actually the best way of doing it is meine Lieblingssendung. Control C. Pencil? Yep. Okay, thank you. Comma, Weil, S, super, cool, ist. So the verb has got to the end. So if I go the same here, ich sehe nicht gern Cipher open, C, V, comma, Weil, C, Finish, Heilig, sind. Okay, so you carry on with the rest of them.